So we got a 2023 340i BMW X-Drive on the lift, all right? I'm gonna show you guys the right way to do a muffy D on this thing. Basically a muffler delete, bypassing that big ass suitcase of a muffler and running some dual 3-inch pipe. Most shops, they run 2.5-inch pipe. We run 2 3-inch pipes as elbows to bypass the muffler. You tuck the valve up so you don't have any check engine light. And like I said, this is a turbo car, so you gotta do it right. Dual 3-inch pipe is definitely the way to go, guys. I'm gonna drop it, crank it, and tell me what you guys think. So you got the stock down pipe right here. It's got a catalytic converter and a flex pipe. Bolts onto an oval pipe for clearance purposes. Not sure why, but then it splits to a Y pipe. The 23s do not have a resonator here. Usually the older ones have this big ass oval resonator in there, kind of a secondary cat and a resonator together. Then it splits, dual 2.5, 2.7-inch piping out the back, more ovals, and then like I said, dual 3-inch pipes out the back, guys. So if you want to maximize flow on your 340, make sure your shop does it in dual 3-inch piping. It's a turbo car, it's got some balls. You don't want to choke it up with 2.5-inch pipe. You can reduce it, shove a pipe inside. Not the right way to do it, guys. The G exhaust, dual 3-inch pipe, right way to be done. All right, so I'm cranking this thing up. Dang, you hear that purr, baby? That purr is sweet. All right, for under 300 bucks, you can't really beat it. Sounds great. Usually cap backs for this car or axle backs for this car start at around $900, but this cheap upgrade, it works. Sounds great on this 340. So this interior is actually pretty sweet. It's got the new redesigned dashboard, which is pretty cool. BMW finally stepped it up. A little Mercedes-like, if you ask me, but you know, biased opinion, guys. So yeah, as you guys can hear, a nice clean idle. It's not super aggressive. Again, no resonator in the midsection. So if you do a muffler delete, it's really all you got left on the exhaust. There's nothing left, no resonators, no secondary cats. But you hear that purr? That thing sounds sweet. So this guy was actually in the market for a full catback. Didn't want to spend $1,000, or the one we quoted him on was about $2,800. It's an AWE full catback system. A little expensive, but sounds almost identical. So for a fraction of the price, you get almost the same sound. Obviously, you don't get all new piping because it's a lot more expensive for the customer. So we offer him an inexpensive solution to making his exhaust sound better, which is the Muffy D, guys, patented, trademarked by G Exhaust. So we're just bringing it around. It's got the red burgundy interior. This thing's pretty dope, man. I really like these 340s. You know, we got a couple of them that come to the shop fully upgraded. They sound sick. They're hauling ass. The same engine in the Supra. Shout out to Jay in the Supra. So I'm gonna give you guys some rev. Tell me what you guys think. Sounds sweet. That's a thumbs up by G Exhaust. Like I said, got the red interior. I like the spec on this one. It's a 2023 340i BMW X-Drive. So X Factor, if you're racing it, you see the X-Drive, it's got all-wheel drive, so it can launch on you guys. Be careful, this thing will smoke you.